dive into the world of vector graphics with our exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this lesson, we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a vibrant and dynamic sound wave background. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this tutorial is packed with tips and techniques to elevate your design skills. First, let's create a simple line with a white stroke. Copy it and use the Effect, Distort and Transform, and Zigzag menus. Here, you can experiment with the values. For the fate, go to the Object menu, Expand Appearance. This will transform our object into lines that we can edit. Let's connect the end vertices and make the others closer to the center. To do this, use the Select tool. Now it's time to use the Blend tool. Select all the lines and use the Blend tool. You can also experiment with values here. This way, you can see the intermediate result. If you want to edit the Blend tool, there's a Blend Options button on the Properties tab. Again, take the Select tool and select the points in the center and click Convert Selected Points to smooth in the panel above. This way, we get an interesting shape for our use. Now we need to color it, and I did it with the help of an ingredient and added a few colors. Also, at this stage, you can change the thickness of the stroke by double-clicking on the line we need. To shade the edges of the image a bit, we'll use a gradient circle and a mask. You can also edit the shading. To highlight the defective elements, we use a circle with a gradient and the color Dodge mode. Get ready to unleash your creativity and design a captivating soundwave background that will leave a lasting impression. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Let's create something extraordinary together in Adobe Illustrator.